Back again from Richmond Curling Club in British Columbia in this series, How to Watch Olympic Curling. One of the things you'll hear quite often from the commentators, mainly from the commentators, is not enough ice, too much ice. What does that mean? Well, as I've said in previous videos, the skip holds the broom, which is the target for the person delivering the rock to aim at with their whole body and with the rock aiming right at the broom. Missing the broom means that you came out of the hack and you weren't straight on the broom. And that happens more in club curling than it does in Olympic curling. However, where does the skip hold the broom? That's why skips, especially at this Olympic level, are geniuses. They do something called mapping of the ice, where they watch the first end, they watch what all the rocks do, they know the parts of the ice that run straighter, that curl a little more, that how much curl there is at each different speed. And of course, the ice is different, even if they've played on that same sheet before, and the ice changes throughout the game. After five ends, they will repebble the ice and it will change again. So these skips are, it is like chess on ice. They're holding all of this information in their brains, and they know, therefore, where to put the broom so that when you aim at the broom and put a curl on the rock by turning it one way or the other, it curls the amount, the exact amount that they want it to curl to end up where they want it to end up. If they hold the broom too far away and the rock doesn't quite end up there, then that is too much ice and they should have held it back here. Of course, conversely, if they hold the broom too close to a rock and it over curls, maybe it hits a guard or something, then it was too little ice. You seldom hear about people at this Olympic level giving too much ice or too little ice, but you will hear it occasionally, and that's what it means. Remember, you can start curling at any age. So follow us on all our social media. We are at Richmond Curl.